If your goal is to make full-time income online, that means you're probably like me. And if you're probably like me, that means you tried different things. Amazon KDP, Amazon FBA, drop shipping, drop services, Etsy stores, Shopify stores, trading, reselling, even surveys, okay? TikTok shop affiliate, digital products. Like you okay, we get it. Like that means if you're anything like me, you tried it and you tried your best. Trust me when I say you're gonna wanna stick around to the end of this video because yes, I have a surprise for you, but no, I'm not gonna be selling you a course. Okay? Okay. I'm not selling you no course, babe. I have a real surprise. Stella, get into it, man. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to help you as I always do on my channel. But today I'm gonna help you to get to that bag for real, with making money online. It's not that you're not doing it right. Trust me, I'm gonna show you what to actually do and the best way to do it and break down a couple things, break down a couple misconceptions for real. If you want to know how to make money online and what's the actual best way to make money online, you found the right video. I did some digging, some experimenting, some research, and some analysis out of all the ways I just said: drop service, drop shipping, FDA, KDP, TikTok shop affiliate, reselling, digital products. Out of all these ways, the best way is actually don't click off this video because I'm going to explain what I mean. This video is probably meant for you. I understand it now. All of these methods work, but there's a learning curve for each of these methods. All of these methods work, but they don't all work for everyone. All these methods take a different amount of time to learn. All these methods take a different amount of time to practice and to become and to master. Just like any skill, just like learning to play an instrument. You learn to play different instruments at different paces. What do they make you play in school? Like a recorder? The recorder harmonica thing? Now, I'm not saying it's not difficult, but it's pretty easy compared to trying to learn how to play electric guitar. All these methods make music. Yes, all these methods make music, but there's a different learning curve for each instrument. Each instrument is a different method of how to make money online. All these methods to make money online require an investment of time. Some require an initial investment of money. I mean, you have to pay to play. Life, you have to pay to play. Like, it's gonna cost you something. It costs you time, it's gonna cost you money, and it's gonna cost you effort. And making money online is endless, but which one of these yields a quick, real return for the least amount of investment of time, money, and effort? Based on my scientific proof, YouTube. And I'm not just saying that to say that, because I'm actually going to break down how to actually make money on YouTube. I'm not just going to say be consistent, post every day. Like, that actually doesn't matter. I'm going to help you with types of channels you want to make. You too could literally be in your YouTube bag in just 2 to 3 months. Half of your research is done for you in this video if you just listen. Go grab a pen or go open your notes app, make this a pip on your screen, and take down some notes. You could easily meet the YouTube partnership, but what you want to do is build a community. You want to garner a community of loyal subscribers or continually attracting new subscribers to your community so that you're able to maximize the profit. To understand how to maximize this, you're going to have to understand two things, which is CPM and RPM. CPM is cost per meal. What this is that's how much an advertiser, a company, or a business will pay to put an ad on your video per 1,000 views. Every time you see an ad pop up at the beginning of a video, every time you have to press skip this ad, that person who owns the video, that channel, the owner of that channel is getting paid. The second thing you need to understand to really make money on YouTube is RPM, revenue per mile or MILA, how much money you actually make per 1,000 views. RPM is how much you're making in total per these 1,000 views. Now that you understand those two concepts, the second most important thing, understand how to make money on YouTube, is to understand that it's not about clout. It's not about clout, because small channels are doing this too. It's about the topic of the video. And I could sit here and tell you, oh, make sure you're giving value, but I'm not gonna sit here and say that. I'm gonna sit here and tell you what to make your videos on, okay? Because vlogging, public interviews, public discourse, pranks, those type of stuff is all fun and games until your CPM is low, because advertisers don't really care most advertisers who are actually willing to pay you don't really care about that audience. All right, I'm gonna tell you what audience they care and cater to. So this is what you want to make your channel about. So they pay big money to put ads on your channel because you have their target audience. And that is travel channels, for one. Okay, channels that talk about best places to travel, best hotels to stay at, travel, travel. Number 2, tech. And this is in no specific order. The only order is to help you guys. The only order is to help you guys. I'm really actually trying to help you guys. So, number 2, tech reviews, best tech gifts, tech countdowns, software updates, how to use like tech. Electronic companies will pay big money for their ads to go in front of videos on those channels that specifically focus on tech. Why? Because they want to sell electronics. When they sell electronics, they have big money to pay you to put more ads so they sell more tech. Okay? Another channel niche topic that if you actually are serious about making money on YouTube, you're going to want to do this. How to make money online. Just how to make money online. These channels have high CPMs for whatever reason. Maybe because it's talking about money. So advertisers will pay you big money to put ads in front of videos on channels that is about how to make more money. Number 4, again, no specific order. Personal finance and wealth channels that teach you how to invest. These are like 3 different topics. You can make it into one channel. You could make it 3 separate channels. But how to invest, how to trade, how to personal finance, banking information, banking tips, how to take out loans, how to do stuff that they don't teach you in school that people actually search up. Personal finance, encouragement, how-tos, big money, crypto channels, like I'm telling you. Real estate, anything real estate, house tours. Even people who aren't even buying houses like to look at house tours. How to get a real estate license. High CPM, high RPM. Making money on YouTube isn't just about picking a channel and doing whatever you want. Be strategic. These are channels with high CPM. These are channels that advertisers pay high money to put in front of your audience because they feel like your video is targeting who they want to target already, so they pay you more. Okay? Be intentional with your channel. Be intentional with the channel you create. If you want to in the future create a secondary channel for funsies, then do that. But if your goal is to really make money on YouTube, now is the time, and this video is telling you how to do it. The last 3 I would say is cooking videos. It's not the highest CPM, but cooking, luxury content, and health and fitness content. Those also have high CPMs. A lot of these medical and pharmaceutical companies, again, will pay you high CPM dollars, high ad dollars to put their supplement ads over your videos, to put their pharmaceutical ads over your videos if that is who your channel is targeting.